I'm here with Deanne Chimboza, who is a self-described wine person, but I don't know, Deanne, I just kind of call you a connoisseur of wine. You work with Under the Influence,
yes,
which is extremely exciting because Deanne is going to be the one who lets us know everything we need to know when it comes to the wine and gin tasting that's happening on the 22nd of September.
Yes.
Yeah.
That weekend is going to be under the influence of Mutara.
Yeah.
Mutara is such a beautiful, beautiful place. You know, we've got a beautiful waterhole out there. You know?
Yeah.
So we'll be having our sundowners, watching baby elephants. You know, tickling in the mud.
And you're one of those people who can take the sniff like a true sommelier and tell you exactly, you know, the oak that has been used and which fruits to look out for, and I absolutely love that.
For us, it's more important to work with brands with a story.
Mm-hmm.
So even if it's conservation, if it's education, if it's a commitment to the workers, you know, if they're doing fair trade wines, for us that's more important. So a lot of smaller boutique-owned wineries, that's who we work with. So for us, I think what we'll be doing that weekend is showing the best of what South Africa has to offer. There's a whole big gin revolution going on around the world, and Kenya is slowly starting to catch up. So for us, we're gonna showcase some really, really cool craft gins from South Africa with some cool cordials and some cool tonics, all of that things, just to make that whole experience, you know, the gin and tonic experience as a sundowner, all of that. Go back to some of those old school safari values, you know.
And you mean literally safari values, because actually these tastings are, you know, gonna be in the bush.
Yeah.
So I think, you know, after getting a taste of that, I was just like, okay, this is actually quite exciting and people have a lot to look forward to. Because it's not just we're gonna be in a bar or a setting like this, as beautiful as it is. It's like we're in the middle of, nature.
Yeah.
You know, where the elephants are just, you know, a little ways off, or the zebra crossing is happening, and it makes for a really romantic setting. I find all this really fun, and I think that's what's gonna lend to a really amazing weekend when we all go away together and come to Jambo Mutara to, you know, do something that I don't really think I've ever seen done in Kenya yet.
Yeah.
So this is gonna be a fun and different kind of safari that I definitely think you'll enjoy.